Hey Siri, who's the 19th president of the United States?
Here's what I found on the web for who's the 19th.
The fact that I know that Rutherford B. Hayes is the 19th president of the United States that quickly makes me laugh at every school in America that's making kids memorize the president of the United States. Every single piece of education in the world that sits with memorization should be eliminated because information is a commodity. It sits on your phone.
What you got now? Come and make it worth my while. Give it to me,
What I've also realized is that people somehow have stopped believing like people can actually be nice. If you're nice to somebody, they don't believe that you're actually nice. They think you're pretending.